Um, Proud to represent Davao City po specifically, and I did not expect to actually win kasi 2 weeks ago UAP ko lang po kakatapos lang, and I didn't really prepare for this kasi syempre gusto ko din magpahinga. So kailan ba yun? After no UAP, 1 week no training at all, talagang hindi naman pa party. Tapos 3 days training lang po ako for this one. So I didn't really expect to perform well. So pero parang mindset ko lang is same for Philippines. Nung 4 laps na yun, parang iniwan ko na po nung 3rd lap pa lang. Tapos nung last lap parang syempre wala akong training. Medyo naramdam ko na po dito ang sakit ng katawan ko. Nakikita ko na po mahabol na. Pero push na lang, no. Andun na ako na nauna, hindi ko na po bibigyan yung gold. Akin na po 'yun.